Welcome back to Grilling Dinner. Today we're going to make some barbecue potato chip chicken nuggets on the Camp Chef pellet smoker. This is a real quick, easy cook. So these are just some boneless, skinless chicken breasts. We'll slice these up into little cubes. This is a pretty simple process. We'll cut any of this loose fat stuff off. Just put it to the side. Let's speed this up a little. I'm sure you guys know how to do this. Go get a bag of your favorite barbecue chips. Put them in a 1-gallon Ziploc bag like we did. And just turn them into a little powder. That's going to be our breading for these chicken nuggets. I'm going to take those chicken cubes we cut up, put them in a bowl. Go wash my hands off. And grab a bottle of your favorite barbecue sauce. Squirt it in there and mix it all up. This is super easy and quick. And then sometimes you gotta help the little ones out. She did a good job though. Now we got the chicken coated in some barbecue sauce. We got the crushed up barbecued potato chips. Just throw them in there, roll them around, get them coated. And we're gonna put it on this jerky rack that I have sitting on top of a pan so any sauce doesn't drip on my counter. This is looking good. Well, here they are all coated up in that potato chip breading we made. Put some barbecue sauce underneath that. We're going to throw them on our Camp Chef pellet grill and get them cooking. This is a 24-inch Camp Chef pellet grill smoker. Got them on here, grill set at 375 degrees. This is only going to take about 12 minutes. And there they are, they're all done. Awesome.
It really is good.
Cool. Make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. Come back next week for more videos. Appreciate it.